Check the plans.
Great idea, dude.
Don't tell me you're BFFs now.
So what are we looking for?
I don't know exactly. Hiding place for the talisman. That tracing you made.
Doesn't work. This one might.
I will not ever get used to this.
What?
Smart Sam.
Standing right here.
Fits perfectly. Which makes the intersection the woodwork room.
I spent 2 years in this room. I never saw any talisman.
2 years. You failed woodwork?
Shelves are tricky.
Let's stay on task, shall we?
If I were a talisman, where would I hide?
Is there anything that doesn't belong? Anything out of place?
Everything's out of place. It's a mess.
Check this. No one used this thing, not once in 2 years. Don't even know what it does.
It's a hand drill.
So why is it stuck to the wall?
Try twisting it.
Do it again.
I'm so taking woodwork next year.
Dust, cobwebs. I don't think anyone's been here for a while.
These books are filled with magic I've never even heard of.
Hey, don't nerd out on me now, dude.
Somebody at this school was a very powerful witch.
And they know about ley lines.
Look all over. Could be anywhere.
Is this meaningful?
It's an altar. Same as the forest.
Why here? Scrying pool doesn't lie. What are they looking for?
Another talisman.
Isn't that a bad thing?
No. It's an opportunity.